Good day to you and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you step by step how you can actually set up your profile in a professional way. So which profile am I talking about? I am talking about your Facebook profile, your Instagram profile, your TikTok profile, and even your WhatsApp business. I'm going to be explaining to you step by step how you are going to be setting it up professionally. There are some important things that you need to take note while setting up all this your profile, and those are the things I'm going to be covering here. Accordingly, I'll explain them to you, then you check your own profile and check whether everything is intact. If they are not intact on your profile, then you need to work on them immediately, because I'm going to be showing you everything. Then you work on them on your phone and you submit your practical directly to my direct message. So now let's get started on creating it. Before we start creating it, there are some things that you need to take note. There are a lot of mistakes that a lot of people make, especially you that you are currently watching me. If you are part of those that make this mistake on their profile, whether on Facebook, on Instagram, on TikTok, or probably on your WhatsApp business, make sure you work on them and you change them. Number one is that you have a bio without CTA. If you have a bio without CTA, what is the meaning of CTA? CTA simply means call to action. If your bio is without call to action, you need to change that now. The second mistake that a lot of you make, especially you that you are watching me, is that if you have a profile picture on your social media platform and it is blurry or it is not clear enough, make sure you change it. And then the third one is that if you have multiple confusing links on your bio or on your profile, you need to also change it. And then if you are even selling something online and when you check your Instagram or your TikTok, you are using a private account, you need to definitely change it. And then if you have no pinned post on your profile or on your page on social media, you need to have it. I'm sure you may be thinking that I don't really understand what you are talking about. So let's break it down for you, how to set up your professional profile on your social media pages. So I'm going to be listing out everything accordingly. And then after I have listed them out for you, you can easily jot them down if you have a pen and paper, because you are going to be following it accordingly to set up your own too after you are done listening to it. It is very, very important for you to take note of that. I'm going to be listing out 11 steps that you need to follow when you are setting up your profile. This is going to be covering the 4 social media pages I have mentioned. Not all the 11 is working for all, but these are the 11 steps you need to follow when you are setting up your profile in a professional way. The number one is your name. When we talk about your name, you should either put your real name or you put your brand name. Those are the 2 things that are required when you are setting up your profile. And then the second one is your picture, your profile photo. Now, when you are setting up your profile photo on your social media page, you need to make sure that that profile photo is clear, it is bright, and again, it is something that is very, very simple. That is the second one. The third one is your bio. Whenever you are writing your bio, check your bio now. If your bio is not having these 3 things, please remove it. Remove it and change it with immediate effect. So how do I mean? Now, your bio must answer 3 questions. For example, I help you to get results with dash method. You remember you want to sell something to people, so you need to know who you are actually selling to, so that when those people actually check your profile, they can know that, oh, this particular person is actually for me. So let me give you an example of how your bio can look like. So your bio could look like, I help beginners publish their book. Let's assume you are a coach on Amazon KDP. Let's assume you are a coach. Every example I'm going to be giving you here, you are going to relate it back to what you are doing presently. But make sure it follows this format. I help you to get results with this method. So now let me give you an example. I help beginners publish their first KDP book in 21 days. 300 plus students. Send a DM to get started. You can see that that particular bio does what? It shows who I am helping, it shows them the results, and then the method I am currently using. So your bio must be something that is very, very simple and well understood. So that is that about your bio. So the next thing is your link. Whenever you're on your profile, you need to also include a link. Please don't include too much of link. Just include a specific link on your bio. Include a specific link on your bio. Either you put the link of your website, or you put the link of your landing page, or you put the link of your WhatsApp. How are you even going to be be getting all those links. When we get to the practical part, I'm going to be showing you everything. And then the next one you need to do is to make sure you have a pinned post. You have a pinned post on your profile. And again, the next one you need to have is highlights. You need to have highlights. It is very important in setting up your profile professionally. Check your Instagram. If you don't have an highlight and you want to try to start selling something to people online, you are really missing a lot. Believe me, I'm going to be showing you how to do everything step by step in this video. So after that time, the next one is the professional setting. You need to make sure that you are using a professional setting, or you switch to a professional account. You make sure you add your email address, and if you don't have a two-step verification on your profile, you need to also include that. So after that one, we have visual. Visual is another thing that makes your profile look so professional. How do I mean? This simply means that on your profile, you need to have a specific color that you are actually using on your profile. It can be one, it can be two. So make sure you have a specific color that when people look at your profile, or when people see your post outside, they can easily determine that, oh, this post is coming from this particular person. So you need to have your color. If you don't have your color, before the practical part of this, you need to also have your color, because you have to include it. You have to include the color when you are also setting up your profile. So you need to have a specific color that you are going to be using to post your content. For example, let's assume you are into video content. You want to be creating video content for TikTok. So your caption must carry a specific color. Don't use white to write caption today. Tomorrow you create another video, you use color red. Next tomorrow you create another video, you use color green. You have to use one specific color if it is in video format. But if it is in graphic format, you need to make sure that those your specific colors are always showing in your graphics. Let's say you want to be posting on Instagram, or you want to be posting on Facebook. Your graphics must carry a specific color that people can easily identify, and you need to have just one font that you are going to be using. I'm going to be showing you everything when I start showing you how to create it one after the other. And then the last one that you need to take note of is your tone. It is your tone that you are going to be using on your profile. You need to make sure you have a unique and a specific tone. Talk natural. You don't need to sound like AI. You don't need to go and copy and be posting every time. You need to be natural for you to be able to make your profile in a professional way. You need to sound natural. So those are the steps or the things that you need to have on your profile. So in my next video, I'm going to open them one after the other. I'm going to open them one after the other and show you everything accordingly, so that you too can also do the same thing on your own two accounts, so that you can also get the same results. If you have got value from this video, don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, because in my next video, I'm going to be creating everything for you and be showing you everything step by step. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye for now.